How's it going, everyone? Robert Bagnado here, and today we're going to be learning exactly how I made $18,600 in sales in 1 month. Now, this was in March 1st to March 31st, and yeah, so this is pretty much 18,000 in sales. Obviously, not all of it's profit. I don't know exactly how much was profit. Maybe around, I'd say around $6,000-7,000 in profit, maybe. But don't really know off the top of my head. Maybe it's more. But anyway, exactly how did I get these results? So I'm going to explain pretty much first. I was doing Instagram influencers, which I'm known to do mostly besides Facebook. But so over here you can see 936. This is all influencers, Instagram influencers, dun dun dun. And then when I made $1,200 on that day on the influencer, this is when I found I was testing a new product, and it came good on the first day of the influencer. So I thought, screw it, I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna put it on Facebook. So that's what I did. So that's why the next day was a bit lower, and then I started testing with Facebook. So it was all influencers. Influencers hit that nice day, 1,200, and then I put it on Facebook, and I started testing. So I started testing some ad sets, some lookalike audiences, and then I just pretty much made 1,900, 1,000, another 1,000, 400, 1,000, and then my ad set started dying, and then I just pretty much it was just staying around that level. But yeah, so exactly how did I do it? Just explain it pretty briefly. So this is what I did. So first I started with Instagram influencers, pages that had around, I'd say, they had around easy 300,000 followers. Wow, what a 300k followers, and I was just testing products on them, and then I did a product which had 1.2k in a day. I'll just show you here. So it was at 1.19k in a day, and so let me just put this. So I'll just say here is my winning product. So my winning product, and pretty much all I did was, once I hit a big day on Instagram, all I did was this. I had a Facebook pixel. Obviously you need a Facebook pixel, excuse my writing, Facebook pixel. And then what I did, all I did is I put it on Facebook. Now, how exactly did I just put it on Facebook? Well, what I did was, first I had the pixel ready. So now my pixel had around 50 to 100 conversions at that point. And then all I did was I created a lookalike audience based off, so it was based off view content. Then after I had roughly around, I'd say 200 add to carts. So then from that, I had 200 add to carts. And then I created lookalike audience for add to cart. And then I pretty much did that until I hit purchase. And obviously there's different ways to scale it and all that, but I pretty much this is exactly what I did. So when I created the audience for the add to cart, I created it from 1%. I did 1 to 5, up to 5%, and I did 5 to 10. So I had 3 audiences for each. So for view content, add to cart, initiated checkout, and purchase, I had 3, and I had them running at $20 a day. So I had them running at $20 a day. And yeah, and then eventually I scaled it a few ad sets to $100, $300 in a day. And that's how, if you see here, that's how I was hitting those big numbers. And it dropped one day and then it went back. And then, my cost per purchase was increasing. So I had to decrease the amount that I was spending on an ad set. So then it just dropped, and then I'm like, they're all going up, the cost per purchase. So then I sort of, cut everything here. And then I just did some influencer again, and then you can find a new product. Now, I know this isn't the best way to scale. There's obviously people that could have scaled it to like 100K in a month, but I'm fine with this. Obviously, everything is a learning curve. I'm still learning. Everyone is still learning. And yeah, pretty much that's how I pretty much did it. Got the influencers, got the data, created view content lookalikes on Facebook, add to cart, initiate checkout, and purchased. And just ran them 1%, 1 to 5%, 5 to 10%, ran them $20 a day, and then that's it. Then I started scaling it. So that's pretty much exactly, how I did it in a nutshell. And yeah, if you guys, want more videos of how to do this, just let me know. And I will speak to you guys on my next video. Take care. Hope you guys make a lot of sales. Peace.